Hello Devendra, welcome to Bollywood People. And how are you? How's everything going?
Everything is good, fine, fantastic rather.
So first of all, congratulations on such an amazing response to the second season.
Thank you so much.
So starting off, I would want to know कि second season में Munna undergoes quite a few changes in
जी
terms of how he deals with people. उसके soft skills के साथ साथ उसकी face lines भी थोड़ी थोड़ी खुलने लगती हैं.
हम्म
तो ये जो चेंज है इन स्पेशली इन वेब सीरीज जब आप काफी एक लंबे समय बाद शेड्यूल में वापस आते हैं शूटिंग शेड्यूल में डज इट हेल्प यू टू अनलर्न अ लॉट ऑफ प्रीवियस ट्रेट्स ऑफ योर कैरेक्टर एंड काइंड ऑफ चेंज द ट्रेजेक्टरी और द आर्क ऑफ योर कैरेक्टर
it doesn't change the trajectory, but it definitely adds a lot of detailing and layer on in the whole thing because your DNA has to remain the same, of the character you were. There are few more traits in your personality, so you feel you are more developed. You feel more complete. So definitely, it shapes you up nicely, and I feel such characters become more 3D. You can actually touch and feel them. They are not just behind the screen. So yeah, it adds up beautifully.
राइट टू से दैट वेब सीरीज जो होती हैं वो आपको ग्रेटर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी देती हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लेइंग अराउंड विद योर कैरेक्टर्स.
डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि हमारे पास यहाँ पे टाइम बहुत होता है. इसका ड्यूरेशन से बिल्कुल सीधा लेना देना है, क्योंकि जब आपके पास 9-10 एपिसोड्स होते हैं तो आपके पास टाइम ज्यादा होता है कहानी को बेहतर तरीके से कहने का, डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स इंट्रोड्यूस करने का, उनको जस्टिस करने का, उनका प्रॉपर एक आर्क होने का. तो एट द सेम टाइम हाँ, मुश्किल भी होता है क्योंकि आपको लंबी स्टोरी टेलिंग हैंडल करनी है. 2-2.5 घंटे की फिल्म में ये एडवांटेज भी होती है कि कहानी में बहुत ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपका टाइम ही इतना है आपके पास. इसमें गाने भी हैं और दूसरी चीजें भी हैं. लेकिन एक वेब सीरीज में मतलब ये वही टेस्ट मैच वाली बात है कि मतलब पांचों के पांचों दिन अच्छे जाने चाहिए. ओनली देन यू कैन विन अ टेस्ट मैच. बट एट द सेम टाइम अगर कोई एक सेशन खराब भी चला जाता है, दिन के 3 सेशन और होते हैं, तो वहां पे आप कवर अप कर सकते हो.
So functions within the framework of a very strong patriarchal structure, the generous mix of misogyny here and there. पर ये जो चीज़ है थोड़ी चेंज होती है फॉर द बेटर टुवर्ड्स द सेकंड सीजन in terms of how कालीन भैया and मुन्ना they deal with women. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन फर्स्ट सीजन अगर कालीन भैया कहते हैं कि औरतों से हमेशा इज्जत से बात करनी चाहिए, सेकेंड सीजन में ये चीज चेंज हो जाती है, especially towards the end of the last episode, wherein Munna stands up for his wife Madhuri, जब Karin Bhaiya tells her to not intervene in the family matters.
Yeah.
Now, love or lust, ये दोनों ऐसे emotions हैं that can trigger an instant high. People are either drunk on love or on lust. So I want to know for this particular sequence, जो सत्यानंद त्रिपाठी का funeral sequence है, wherein there's both Kalin Bhai and Munna come head on to each other. Did you kind of seek help from the concoction of love and lust, as in love for Madhuri and lust for the power of Mirzapur's throne?
Wow, so beautifully put, yeah, Akshay. Very, very, very nicely put. Yes, definitely, and it's a beautiful concoction of that. Hence, it tastes so nice because see, there are few things that you have to show as it is, which happens in real life. But yes, there are then certain cinematic liberties you take, to better the society you are showing. जरूरी नहीं है कि ओरिजिनल एक मिर्जापुर में ये चीज होती कि अगर एक ऐसी फैमिली हो, या हम जानते हैं ऐसी बहुत सारी फैमिलीज हैं who are not in so much legit business, उनके थोड़े अलग अलग बिजनेसेस होते हैं. जरूरी नहीं है उनकी फैमिली में औरतों को इस तरीके से इज्जत दी जाए. लेकिन हाँ, यहाँ एज मेकर्स यू कैन हैव दैट ऑप्शन. You want to treat women much nicely and be nice towards them rather than just carrying on with the whole thing. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जरूरी नहीं था कि इस सुर को तोड़ना, ये वैसा ही चलता रह सकता था और आप यही कहते कि सोसाइटी में ऐसा ही चलता है, जो कि आपने मिर्जापुर 1 में देखा. क्योंकि दिस वर्ल्ड इज डोमिनेटेड बाय मैन, तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली में औरतों का कुछ एंट्री उतना है ही नहीं. तो अगर हम पहले में ही उस चीज को दिखा देते तो वो झूठ लगता. एक औरत भी है जो कि गैंगस्टर है, जो कि डॉन है, लेकिन नहीं, जब वो सीजन 2 के साथ खिलते हुए चीज में आती है कि एक सर्टेन आप एक इवेंट आपकी लाइफ में होता है और आप उससे गुजरते हैं, तब जाके वो चीज निखर के और बेहतर तरीके से आती है, और वो एक सिनेमैटिक लिबर्टी है जहाँ से आप अपने जो नैरेटिव है उसको ऊपर लेके जा सकते हैं.
And there's the sequence between Munna and Madhuri after one of the initial rallies. दोनों बालकनी में बैठे हैं, they're smoking up together, you know, और कैमरा जो है वो दरवाजे के पीछे से डॉली पे slowly ट्रैक करते हुए आ रहा है. Tell me if I'm reading this right, or if I'm reading this too much. Was this an ode to the Breaking Bad scene wherein Jesse Pinkman and Jane, they are watching TV together while being high? Was their thoughts somewhere?
I actually don't know. It could be in the minds of the makers, but the scene you are pointing out is one of my favorite scenes, because there you see such beautiful side of Munna, where he says कि यार पता है अगर हम छोटे मोटे एक कहीं किसी फैक्ट्री या कहीं में काम करने वाले होते तो बुरा नहीं होता, you know, कम से कम कोई बेइज्जती नहीं करता. तो it's that, यार, it's those beats in between which makes the whole thing so beautiful and so nice. You get a symphony only when you have different instruments playing at different levels so that you can see. And this is one such scene which gives such depth to Mirzapur and to Munna's character, where, you know, it just completes everything.
Okay. And first season में one of your dialogues, you know, it set the meme world on fire. और सेकेंड सीजन में फिर इसी चीज पे बिल्डअप करते हुए राइटर्स ने एक उस मीम या उस डायलॉग को एक कैरेक्टर के टाइप में विटनेस के रूप में एक आउटलेट दिया उस कैरेक्टर को. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द कोट अनकोट भोसड़ी वाले चाचा सीक्वेंस. सो यू नो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि नाउ दिस टाइम द पावर वाज इन हिज हैंड्स डिस्पाइट दिस डायलॉग बीइंग योर लेगेसी. द पावर ऑफ दिस डायलॉग वाज इन हिज हैंड्स टू यू नो स्पार्क द कॉमेडी एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू रिएक्ट टू इट. So what was your first thought जब आप स्क्रिप्ट के पन्ने पलट रहे थे and you stumbled upon this scene? What was your first thought when you came across it?
It's because you said that it's your legacy. It feels great that your legacy has grown so much that a character who appeared on screen for a very small time today has something big to do. And the greatness of the makers is that, you know, actually, if you come to think of it, no one would actually go out there and give Gawahi against Munna. Only one person would, who felt insulted and who was, you know, in the state of mind that I will take revenge of that insult. You called me by that name in front of everyone. So I think it's so beautiful. Itna acha pakda makers ne that they got him on board. And now the fun part is that it's Munna's reaction. Dude, you're the man. And, you know, now as an actor while preparing, I was like, he should be a little, because if you're thinking like Munna, you're not wrong. You're just like, see, I was being nice to you. You know, I didn't kill you that night. I actually gave a caution to you कि please get off the floor. यहाँ पे कुछ important बात चल रही है. If I could be that nice to you, I could have easily put one bullet in you as well and get done with it. But if I'm being that nice to you, how come you are thinking that you can go against me? You know, it's at the end of the day because Munna has certain power, right? And the whole deal is there too. If I was being nice to you, maybe अच्छा आपको शायद गलतफहमी हो गई that you thought that you are more powerful in this relationship than I am. So it's very important for you to know that you're not. It was just a sheer act of मतलब वो अच्छाई goodness that I didn't kill you there. So बहुत मजेदार सीन है वो. And see, when he even gives galis to Munna enjoys it.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, he loves it. He's like, हाँ दोबारा बोल क्या बोल रहा है तू? It's only when he says something wrong.
Yeah.
Munna trips again,
Yeah.
because the DNA is the same of this guy. He trips again and he says, listen, don't go there. Now this is a mistake you did.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it's just everything. It's such a complete thing in itself. It's lovely. And people are really liking that scene. Huh?
Yeah.
Really.
They are. सो अगर मैं इंडस्ट्री ब्रॉडर टर्म्स में बात करूं, हमारी फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कई बार डायरेक्टर्स दे टेंड टू ओवर एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स टू द एक्टर्स. Now, while I agree that it's extremely important for an actor to be highly aware of things, but sometimes it's also nice to not know certain things. Na? Allow yourself to be surprised by the scheme of it. क्योंकि the whole idea is to have fun and enjoy what you're doing as an actor. नहीं तो कोई क्यों एक्टर बनेगा? People बैंक की नौकरी भी कर सकते हैं. The whole idea is to have fun. आप किसी भी तरह के आर्टिस्ट हो. तो ये जो एक चस्का लगा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को, या कह लीजिए कीड़ा है चीजों को ओवर एक्सप्लेन करने का और एक फ्रेमवर्क में बांध देने का, बाउंड्रीज में बांध देने का. हाउ डज इट इम्पैक्ट द कंटेंट ओवरऑल इन लार्जर स्कीम?
इट्स यार वो ना बिल्कुल सही बात है कि मुझे पर्सनली जैसे वो बात पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि इससे क्या होता है, आप एक कलेक्टिव इंटेलेक्ट पे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो. आपको ये लग रहा है कि लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा, बट अगर you have to feed them better for them to digest it nicely. It's I think one shouldn't do all that. हाँ, कुछ चीजें आपको लग सकती हैं, but I think it's the fear that whether people would get it or not. And I think if you talk about film industry, the fear might come from the fact that there is so much money involved. Now people are really they are bothered about how much my film will make. They want to hit the big numbers. To hit the big numbers, don't take risks. Cut everything, make everything plain, simple. We have to give certain audiences certain choices. A guideline, a map to reach there. It comes from that. Why OTT in this particular zone is faring much better? It's because it doesn't question the intelligence of the people. Because there is no immediate pressure of money, of weekend figures, of lifetime business. No, this medium works on merit, and it's the same kind of people who like this so-called intellectually high things on OTT as well, and and also of late rejecting a lot of mainstream so-called big commercial cinema, because yes, they want a different grammar now. You have internet today, you can watch any series from any part of the world. Their narrative is very different, but you love them, don't you? So why do you think that आपके देश के लोग इस चीज को नहीं समझेंगे? And when it's like in a buffet, you are saying कि भाई बस खिचड़ी खा लो, पेट को हजम करने में बड़ी आसानी होगी. But there are other things as well, where you say, listen, इसका कोई digestion से लेना देना नहीं है. We need to have something more as well. We have to change the palate. And because it's a buffet, you get different taste of different dish, and the best dish wins. It's very, very democratic also. So it's lovely. So we need to be more risk taking and not to play safe.
And lastly, Akhandanand Tripathi and Satyanand Tripathi, both of them, they are very calculated in their approach. या उनके decisions भी वो काफी think through करते हैं, उसे अलग अलग एंगल से हिट करके कि इस फैसले का आगे जाके क्या लॉन्ग रन में implication होगा. मुन्ना is very volatile. He is driven by emotion more than logic. तो ये जो ट्रेट है, क्योंकि कालीन भैया और बाबूजी दोनों तो ऐसे हैं नहीं, तो मुन्ना में ये जो ट्रेट है ये कहाँ से आता है इतनी वोलेटिलिटी का? इज इट बिकॉज क्योंकि वो घर का इकलौता बेटा है और जो लाड़ प्यार उसे मिला है उसके चलते उसने उसे बिगाड़ दिया? इज दिस वन ऑफ द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
I think it's that emotional vacuum which he feels, which is there. Because मैंने जितना character preparation में story बनाया था मुन्ना का, वो ऐसे ही बनाया था because his mother is not there and his father is not a very loving father. So he has a lot of angst against him. A lot of questions regarding his mother's death, what happened, how it happened. Father not being a hands-on father. Then the default setting in his life. What is the default setting in his life? That he is born and brought up with guns, with drugs. It's a very given thing for him. Now, an emotionally volatile person, if you have a gun kept there in front of him, tend to make a stupid decision. So, in Munna's case also, it's it's because Munna is very, very vulnerable. He wants to, make his father happy and, have that kind of a validation from him. In season 1 end also, when he goes for the so-called the red wedding in Mirzapur, जो last episode में है, उसमें जब जाता है तो it's his father only who's sending him कि जाओ काम करो, लो हमारी गन भी ले जाओ. I always looked Munna as a poor guy कि listen, कोई मतलब you so much you love your father to impress him, you're going on a killing spree, killing people left, right, and center. It's amazing how a character can be manipulated.
Okay. So with that we have reached the end of this conversation. कुछ ऐसा सवाल जो मुझसे पूछना रह गया हो या जिसके बारे में आप बात करना चाहते हो, so please feel free to talk about it.
No, Akshay, you come very well prepared, and I told you earlier also that I really enjoy your observations and your reading. Keep at it, man. I mean, always a pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you. Likewise. So on that note, thank you so much for talking to us, Devendu. I wish you all the best. You're shooting something now. I won't probe much further, but all the best for that and all your upcoming projects. Please take care.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Akshay, you are from which platform?
I'm from Bollywood Bubble.
Bollywood Bubble.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye-bye.